In this tutorial, we'll explore different use cases of the Space Manager functionality. The first case is closing gaps using mesial distal movements. Select a group of teeth while holding the Control key, then use the context menu to choose which tooth the group should align to for zero contact. Options include the first or last tooth in the group, or the last selected tooth in 3D. As you can see, applying Space Manager positions the teeth in perfect zero contact relative to the selected reference tooth. Next, we'll look at a case where the group of teeth has both gaps and collisions. In this scenario, the software resolves the collisions using the available space within the selected teeth group. Now, if the total space isn't enough to fully resolve a collision, the software first uses all available gaps, then shifts the group distally to avoid creating new collisions. The same behavior occurs when no gaps are present at all. If you run the same scenario but select a reference tooth on the opposite side, the teeth move mesially. If space is insufficient, a collision may appear between the last tooth and its neighbor. Let's move on to the Distribute Across the Width feature. This is useful for resolving collisions through equal spacing. Select a group of teeth and click Distribute Across the Width. The software distributes the teeth so collisions are either equal or differ by the minimal allowable amount. The next feature is Distribute and Procline. This helps resolve collisions while applying a controlled proclination to the teeth. Finally, we'll see a case with a free gap in the selected group. The software can use this extra space to further reduce collisions, optimizing the alignment. This is how Space Manager functionality works. Please note that some sequences in this video were shortened. Thank you for watching.